Hi, I'm Keith from Dandelion Energy Service Department. Today, I'm going to show you how to change your air filter. The first step to changing your air filter is removing the top and the bottom thumb screws. After you remove the thumb screws, the filter door comes right off, and then we're ready to remove the filter. That filter's dirty. If your new air filter has a directional arrow, we want that directional arrow to face in towards the heat pump. Then we can replace the air filter door and the two thumb screws. And you've just replaced your air filter.